The 2015 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, this vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, power lift gate, power passenger seat, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, moonroof, Bluetooth, power steering. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
8 locations, 13 brands, over 2,500 new and used vehicles online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.